Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Feature Friday video. This week I have a new release from Young Nails. They've come out with their Palm Splash Chroma Flake kit. So this is a very unique chrome powder. It's actually a flake and not just a powder, so it gives a really different look on the nail. And it is also duo toned as well, so it's a purple and a green. So I've swatched that out. I'm showing you what's in the kit as well, and I've put it over a couple different colors so you can see the kind of different effects you can get with it. Alright, so first off, taking a look at what actually comes in this kit, you get the finish gel, which is their high shine top coat that is tack free. You also get the foam applicator for the powder. This kit comes with the Mission Control color Overdrive, which is their black. And of course also comes with the chrome powder, and you can see here it is more of a flake and not just a powder. And then it also comes with some instructions for how to apply onto an artificial nail as well as a natural nail. So applying this is the same kind of technique that you use with any other chrome powder, and with Mission Control you don't need a tack-free top coat before your powder. So in their instructions they recommend you cure for 1 minute in LED or 2 in UV. I found that in LED you can do just 30 seconds and get the same effect. I haven't tried in UV, so you will have to play with timing on that one. But applying one coat and then curing for 30 seconds, then taking the foam applicator and just dipping it into the chrome flakes. I kind of found these flakes to be quite messy. They're really staticky, so I almost kind of scooped it a little bit more with the applicator and then just rub it right onto the nail like you would any other chrome powder. Then just taking a dust brush and dusting it off. This does work better on real fingers that aren't silicone, which the powder really likes to stick to. And then finishing that off with the finish gel. And you can use a different top coat if you like, but I do find the finish gel works really well, and it is nice that it is tack free, so once it's done you don't have to worry about wiping it. I'm just wiping this quickly to get that powder off from around the silicone finger here, and then this is the effect that you get. So you can see the flakes kind of through the powder, and then it does have that duo chrome look to it as well. So I just wanted to also quickly show you that this powder does give you different effects depending what kind of color you put underneath. So I've done the Mission Control colors Fizz and Molten, which is the white and the coral. And you can see here that the white gives a really cool, almost like sponged look to it. And then putting the coral underneath, that sort of pink color comes through with that two-toned chrome as well. So it is a really fun and diverse product to work with, and I love that you can get totally different effects depending what color you put underneath. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this week's video, and these kits are available for purchase now, and I will put the link in the description below to purchase if you're in Canada, as well as the distributor link for Young Nails if you're anywhere else in the world to find someone closer to you. Thank you for always liking and sharing our videos and subscribing to our channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the section below. And don't forget, you can also support us by liking us on Facebook and following us on Instagram.